Hello everyone. I welcome you all in this UPSC CSAT complete lecture series. Today we are going to start a new topic and that is calendar. We all look at the calendar every day, but today onwards we will understand how to solve the numericals based on this topic, right? So how to start this session? We always follow the concept first, then we will solve some BYQs or some questions based on that one, right? So let's begin. See, if you look at the calendar, what is in the calendar? First of all, there you can see there is year, okay. Then you will see months, then weeks, then inside weeks it will be days, right? Now fine. So if you see for 1 year, if you look at the 1 year calendar, there will be 12 months, right? Then total number of days is what? Total number of days is 365 or 366 days. But what is 365 days and 366 days concept? This is for non-leap year, okay, and this is for leap year. Fine. But why this difference? Any idea? Okay, fine. So actually, when the earth revolves around the sun, it takes 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, this is the fixed time. But we can't take this 6 hours because while calculation we have to take the integer value. Okay, so for the next year it will be 6 hours. For again next year it will be 6 hours. For again next year it will be 6 hours. So we have to add all four, so it will be 24 hours. Okay, and it will make day, and that will add it to the February part. Okay, February, how many days are there in February? It will be 28. So for leap year it will be 28 plus this one day, that is 28 plus 1, that is 29 days. Okay, and this is for leap year. Okay, that's why we say leap year comes after 4 years. You understood why the concept, why the 4 year gap? Okay, fine. Now, how many weeks are there in 1 year? Okay, this is very important because from this concept we will understand that how to solve the questions from this one. Okay, so there are 365 days for non-leap year, 366 days for leap year. Okay, we are considering first 365 days. So if you see the calendar, let's make a calendar here. Like this is Sunday, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, I'm just considering like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But when you write the 8 date, so you will see like from 8 it will be repeated. Okay, so that means there is a repetition after 7 days. Got it? There is always a repetition after 7 days, that 1 is equal to 8, 2 is equal to what? 9, 3 is equal to 10, 4 is equal to 11. So you can see there is a gap of 7 days. Right? There is a gap of 7 days. So that's why this 7 day is a magical number. Okay, so whenever you will get any value of days, you have to divide by 7. Okay, why this division? Let's see. Like for non-leap year, what we are saying like if 365 days is given, you can divide by 7. Okay, so it will be like by 5, it is 35. This is 15. By 2, it is 14. Remainder is 1. That means for non-leap year, there are 52 weeks. Okay, and one day is extra, one extra day. Okay, you can say one odd days or one extra days. Okay, and this is the important thing. Fine. For leap year, what we will do? Same thing, 366 divided by 7, it will be 5, and this is 35, it is 16, and this is 2, this is 14, and we will have remainder as 2. That means 52 weeks and 2 extra. Fine. Understood this one? Okay. So let's see some interesting facts. Like this year is 2025. Okay. So if you look at the 1st January day, say it is Wednesday. Fine. So next year is 2026, and that is also a non-leap year. Right. So when you are going from this year to this year, and you are checking the first date of 2026, so what will be the day of 2026? This is Wednesday, so what will be the day for 1st January 2026? Think. See, we have told you like there is 52 weeks are there, okay, for non-leap year, and one day is extra, right? So whatever day, if 0 day is extra, if it is divisible, just consider it is divisible by 7. Whatever value you are getting, it is divisible by 7. That means you are getting the same day. Like you are considering the day Wednesday, you will get the same day as a Wednesday, but here one day is extra. That means January 1st will be Thursday. Okay, and you can say like 1st January is Wednesday. That means this year 2025 31st December will be Wednesday. Okay, and 1st January of 2026 will be Thursday. Fine. If there is a one calendar anything, or 1st January is Wednesday, or next year is what? Is a leap year. Okay. No, sorry. I mean, this year is a leap year. This year is a leap year. Okay, this one is a leap year because we are considering the 1st January, right? So, whenever we are considering any date, so there should be a, I mean, you will count the number of days, right? Like if we are considering this year as a leap year, and we are taking the date as January 1st, we are comparing the dates of January 1st, then I think it will come at 365 days. Okay, what I am trying to say is, if let's say if this is January 1st, okay, and this is non-leap year, non-leap, and second one is 1st January, and this is a leap year, right? So if you see the gap between the days from January 1st to this January 1st, it will be 365 days, not 366. Why? Because we are taking this year, This year is just 1st January, right? Not the February part, because in that February part there is 29 days. Then there is a concept of leap year, right? So it will be like 365 days. You will get the same one day extra. Okay, so when we are taking 1st January and this is a leap year, and next day obviously this is non-leap year, and we are saying like this is 1st January, this is Wednesday, so 31st December will be what? 31st December will be Thursday. Okay, and 1st January for the next year will be Friday. That means 2 days extra, 2 days extra. That's why after Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, 2 days extra. Okay, got it? Fine. See, whatever I have told you about the extra days, or you can say odd days, this is very important. Okay, complete calendar topic will be solved by this one, right? Because whatever days we will get, we have to divide by 7, and whatever remainder we will get, based on that we can say like 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 0. Based on that we can say which day is that one. Fine. Okay, so write some, like, for century, for 100 years we have to calculate for 100 years, because while calculation there will be some date will be given, so we have to remember a few things, so that it will be easier to calculate. So for 100 years, how many leap years are there and how many non-leap years are there? So first we have to find the leap year. So for leap year, what we will do, we will divide by 4. So when we divide by 4, it will be 25. Okay, then that means in 100 years there will be 25 leap year. Okay, and rest 75 are non-leap year. So 25 leap year means 2 days extra. 2 days means 2 days multiplied by 25, that means 50 days extra. Okay, and for 75 it will be 75 days extra. Okay, so total will be 75 plus 50, and that will be how much? 75 plus 50 is equal to 125 days. Okay, and I have told you whatever day we are getting, we can divide by 7. So just divide 125 by 7, it will be 1, here is 7, it is 55. So okay, I think one concept I have missed right now, like, okay, let me tell you that one first. Like, how to understand like one given year is a leap year or non-leap year. I have told you like we have to divide by 4. Whatever year is given, we have to divide by 4. Just for example, 2024 it is given. Okay, we can divide by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then that is a leap year. Okay, so this is a leap year. 2025 is a non-leap year. Okay, but for centuries, this is century. So for century there is a different concept, like we have to divide by 400, not 4. Okay, is it clear? So when you divide 100 by 400, obviously it is not divisible. So that means there is not 25 leap years, there is 24 leap years. Okay, so it will be 24. So here is 48, and this one will be 76 non-leap year. So here is 76. Okay, so how many extra days will be there? 76 plus 48. Okay, fine. So it will be like 124 days. So that means we have to divide by how much? 124 divided by 7. So here is 1, so it will be 7, it is 54. So when you write here is 7, it is 49. So we will have 5 as a remainder. Okay, so what concept we are getting from this one? So concept is for 100 years, for 100 years or for say 1 century, there will be 5 days extra or 5 odd days. Okay, so for 200 days, for 200 years, it will be 5 multiplied by 2. Obviously for 100 years it is 5 days, so 200 years will be 5 multiplied by 2, that means 10 days. Okay, but whatever day we will write here, whatever extra day we will write here, it should be less than 7. Okay, so here is 10, so we have to divide 10 by 7. So when you divide 10 by 7, we will get 3 as a odd days. Clear? Same thing for 300 years. What we will write? 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15. We will divide by 7. We will get 1 odd day. Okay, for 400. Now, this is a leap year. Okay, this is a leap year. That means if you count 400 years, so there will be 0 odd days. 0 odd days. How we are getting this one? So just multiply 5 by 4. Okay, 5 multiplied by 4, it will be 20, and this 400 is also a leap year. So initially we are adding 1 for non-leap year, but here is this one is 400 years year is a leap year, that's why we have to add 1 more. Okay, don't confuse here. Like say we are adding 1. Okay, we are adding 1 as we are considering that year is a non-leap year, but right now it is a leap year, so we will add 1 more. That's why it will be 20 plus 1, that will be 21 days. And when you divide 21 days by 7, we will get 0 as a remainder. That's why we have written here 0 odd days. So you have to remember this one. Like for 100 years it will be 5 odd days, for 200 it is 3 odd days, then 300 it will be 1 odd days, and 400 it will be 0 odd days. Is it clear? Okay, so understand one thing, like whenever you have to calculate the day number, particular day from the question, we have to find total number of days. Okay, just find the total number of days in between the given dates. Okay, and then from that number we have to divide 7. Okay, and whatever we are getting the remainder, you have to act on that one. Okay, and what I am saying is, yes, if there is a given date, okay, if question is given, like for example, today is 28 March. Okay, it is given like 28 March is Friday. Okay, and we have to calculate some random like 4th April of next year, let's say of 2026. Okay, in that case we can, like first we have to calculate the in between days. Okay, and we have to consider this day as a base day. Like what we are saying, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So earlier we are taking this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 0, like this one we are taking, or 0, 1, 2, like this we are taking. But in this case, what we have to take? We have to take this as a 0. Okay, Friday as a 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this one. Okay, so whatever day is given, we have to take that as a base day. Okay, and if it is not given, then what we will do? Just consider this one: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, fine. And one more thing, I think you know that one, like January, how many days are there? 31 days. Okay, so you can write one more step is there. You can write the odd days from every month, like 31 days. How many extra days will be there? 28 plus 3, that means 3 extra, 3 odd. For February, if there is 28 days, then we will say 0. If there is 29 days, then we will say 1 odd. Okay, then for March, what we will write? 31 days, again 3 odd. April, it will be 30, so it will be 2 odd. Then May, it will be 31 days, that means 3 odd. June, it will be 30 day, so it will be 2 odd. July, 31 days, it is 3 odd. August, it will be 31, it is 3 odd. Then September, 30 days, so it will be 2 odd. Then October, it is 31, that means 3 odd. November, this is 30, and that means 2 odd. And for December, it is 31, that means 3 odd. Okay, so when you have to count complete month, then in that case you can write these things. This you can consider this as a concept or the trick, whatever you want. Okay, you can say. And if it is given like you have to count, like say you have to write, you have to count the 10th of May. So in that case, you have to write the 10 days of May. Okay, not complete May. Are you getting this one? So you have to count the 10 days of May. Then you can count 10 days, and based on that you can divide by 7. Okay, and whatever remainder you will get, that is your odd day. Fine. Okay, so let's try some numerical. I think this odd day concept is over, and every questions, if it is given, you can just try by odd days. Okay, it will be solvable. Fine. Still, if you have doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, simple example. Let's say, which day is 1st January 2025? Why I am giving this question? Because there is a question in UPSC in 2021. In that year, it is asked like 10th October 2027. They have asked this date, but I am just giving you this date. You can solve by yourself for this one. So how to solve for 1st January 2025? So first we can disintegrate this one 2025 with the help of centuries. So we can write here 2000, because 2000 is a century, okay, plus 25. Is it clear? So if this is a century means we have 0 odd days, 0 odd days, right? Any confusion? So we have to calculate for only 25 years, okay. So for 25 days, first of all, see how we are solving. First we have to disintegrate this here, okay. Then we will find like how many centuries are there, okay. Based on that, from centuries we will find how many odd days are there, okay. Then it is 25 years, we have to find how many leap years are there. So we have to divide by 4, so it will be 25 divided by 4, we will have what, 6, okay. 6 means what, 6 means 6 leap year are there, and rest 19 are non leap year, okay. So 6 leap year means 12 odd, and there is 19, so we have to add both, so it will be 31 odd, okay. And when we are getting the odd days, we have to divide by 7. So 31 divided by 7, what we will have, it will like, okay, by 4 it is 28, we will have 3 extra days, means 3 odd days. So I have told you like we have to calculate like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay. Or you can say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this. So we are considering this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7 or 0, both are same thing, because I have told you 7 is not a remainder, because 7 is a divisor, that means we will get the remainder as a 0, and here we are getting remainder as a 3, that means it is Wednesday. So if you see if you look at the calendar of 2025, you will see like 1st January 2025 is a Wednesday, okay. Just check it out, okay, we are getting it right or not, fine. So if we are getting it right, so it is your task, like solve it, like 10th of October 2027 is which day, okay. Solve it and comment it. I am giving you the options are Sunday, Monday, then Tuesday and Saturday, okay. So based on this one, based on this concept, you have to solve this one, okay. Now comment the answer. So let's move to the next question, next practice question. Okay, I am giving you one date like 2nd October 1869. Which day is this one? Obviously 2nd October means Gandhi Jayanti. So actually this is date of birth of Mahatma Gandhi, okay. So if this is given, so we have to calculate the previous date, okay. We have to calculate the 1868. For 1868 till 1868 we have to calculate, because we this is October 1869, this is not completed, so we have to calculate for 1868 first, number of odd days, then we will calculate till 2nd of October, okay. So I have told you 4 months if we are counting the months, we have to calculate complete months first. Okay, if you are counting the year, we have to calculate the complete year first. So that's why here, if you see, now 1869 it is not completed, 1868 is completed, so we have to calculate first this one 1868, then we have to calculate like how many days are there in 2nd October, I mean till 2nd October. Fine. So if you see this one 1868, so I have told you we have to disintegrate this one by centuries, so you can write 1800 plus 68. So better you have to write the multiple of 400, so multiple of 400 means 1600 plus 200 plus 68. It will be more easier for you. Why it is easier? Because this is 0 odd days, this is how much, this is 200, that means 3 odd days. Okay, and this is 68. For 68 we have to calculate the number of, I mean how many years are there, like leap year. So 68 divided by 4, we will have 1, this is 4, it is 28. Okay, so it is how much, 7, that means 17 leap year are there. Okay, so 17 leap year means 68 minus 17, we will have 1, and here is 5, so 51 non leap year are there. So 17 multiplied by 2, that is 34, and this is 51, so it will be 5, this is 8, 85. From this one we are getting 85 odd days, and this is 3 days extra, that means 85 plus 3, that means 88 odd days. Fine. So for 88 odd days, so what we will, yes, for 88 odd days from this one. Okay, and I have told you like we have to calculate for this one for second, I mean till 2nd October we have to calculate. So how to calculate this one? So first method is, I mean we have to calculate January, February, March, April, May, June, July, okay, August, September, and for October it will be 2. October it will be 2 because we are considering 2nd of October. So we are just writing the odd days here. So for January it is how many odd days? 3. This is a non leap year, so that means February will be 0, March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2. Okay, so now add this one, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11. Okay, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 2 21, 21 plus 2 it is 23. Okay, so we are getting 23 odd days here, and here is 88. So we will write 88 plus 23, so it will be like how much, 1, this is 111 triple one. Okay, so now final task is divide 111 by 7. Dividing 111 by 7, we will have 1, here is 7, this is 41 by 5, this is 35, we are getting 6. Okay, we are getting 6, that means what, that means we can calculate like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 is Saturday, right? So if you are getting 6 as the odd day, that means this date is a Saturday. Am I right or not? So I think now you have understood like how to solve the dates for, I mean day for the for any dates. Okay, so moving to the next one. So I'm giving you a small task like you can solve 15th August 1947, the date of independence. It is given, so you have to calculate, you have to find the day of independence. Okay, it is your task, solve it. Okay, and let's move to the UPSC PYQ. Like first question, it is given 10th of October 2027. I am solving this one for you. So I have told you like what to do this one. For this one, what we have to do? First, we have to calculate which year is completed. 2026 is completed here. Okay, until 10th of October we have to calculate. Okay, so for this one we have to disintegrate. It is 2000 plus 26. This is 0 odd day and this one is 26, so we have to divide by 4 first to count the number of number of leap years. Okay, so 26 divided by 4, we will have 6, it will be 24. That means, okay, there are 6 leap years. Okay, 6 leap years means 20 non leap years. Fine, so 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12, and 20, that means 32 odd days are there. Clear? So 32 odd days from this one. Now we have to calculate the number of odd days from till 10th of October. So for January we will do the same thing. From January it is 3. For February, this is for 2027, so it is non leap year. February is 0. March it is 3. April it is 2. May it is 3. June it is 2. July it is 3. August it is 3. September it is 2. October till 10th, so we have to write 10 here. I have told you whatever date is given we have to calculate complete, I mean till that one. Okay, so yes, if there is any mistake you can say, because maybe I do mistake somewhere. So here is 3 3 6 6 2 8 8 and 6 sorry 8 and 3 11. Okay, 11 2 13 3 16 3 19 19 and 2 21 21 to 21 and 10 31. So 31 and 32, it will be 63. So you can divide 63 by what? By 7. So it will be 0 odd days. Fine. So now it is simple. Like earlier I have told you, like for Monday it is 1, Tuesday it is 2, like this one. For Sunday it is 0. So that means this is your Sunday. Is it clear? So this is your first method. Second method is, if you know any particular date, date, then based on that one you can compare. Okay, actually this is 2021 question, and I think 2021 it is exam was there in October itself. So if you know the date of that one, I mean 2021 date, if you know that one. So based on that one, it will be more easier for you. What I am saying is, so actually we have to calculate 10th of October 2027, or actually exam was on 10th of October 2021. Okay, and I have told you, like, if you have to calculate the same date or few days extra, that's not an issue. If you have to calculate the same days, so you have to just work on the year. Okay, it is 2021, so how many, I mean, extra days between this one? Okay, so if you are going from 21 to 22, this is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So if you are going from 21 to 22, it will be one extra day. 21 to 22, sorry, 22 to 23, it will be again one extra day. 23 to 24, it will be one extra day. But yes, if you are taking this one, if you are taking this date, then here it will be two extra day, because in 24 October, 10th of October 2024, we are getting the February part also of this year, and February part means this is a leap year. That's why we have to calculate 2, we have to write 2, because it is a leap year. Then again it is 1, this is 1, this is 1, so it is how much? 1 2, this is 2 2 4 5 6 7, so we are getting 7 here. 7 means you can divide by 7, so here 0 as a extra day, that means we are getting the same day. If 10th of October 2021 is your examination day, actually this is your examination day, it is Sunday, so I have told you, like, this is your base day, so it will be Sunday. So I think this strategy will be more easier for you, but that one is your standard process, so you can follow that one also, no issues. Fine. So I am giving you the next questions, so you have to try that one. Okay, so from 2023, you may consider this is very toughest, so it is given like today is Sunday, same thing. For comparison, it is given today is Sunday, so you have to find 10 to the power 10th day. So what we will do, I am giving you the hint, you have to try yourself. Just write 10 10 times, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is not a bigger value. Okay, just divide by 7, whatever extra day we will get, based on that you can say which day is one, which date is this one. Okay, easier one, try yourself first. Second question is, we have to find the calendar for year 2025 is same for what? So I have right now, I have told you for 2021 and 2027 we have compared the same method, we can compare for this one. I mean, between the years we have to calculate the number of number of odd days. If you get the number of odd days same, means 0, then that means the year will be same. So I am giving you the answer, it will be 2031. Try it yourself. And the next question is, okay, this one is from 2024. Fine. And next question is, it is given like which day of June, date of June 2099 is Sunday. Okay, option was 4 5 6 7. Okay, so it is your task, now try yourself. If there is any doubt, you can say. If you are not getting the answer, we will try to solve it in the next session. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Bye, all the best. Jai Hind.